We're now going to share a look back on a credit report that is always timely, but especially for this January.
Understanding your credit is vital for your financial health. Your credit score is based on your credit history, which is a record of loans, money owed, how long you've had credit, and whether or not you pay your bills on time. Charlie Monkwitz, a consultant with M3 Financial, says
big swing in credit score can mean big dollars in how much you pay when you borrow money.
If you pay more than the minimum balance due, you can reduce your principal balance, save on interest, and pay off your debt faster, versus only paying your minimum balance, which could take years. Step 1 to improving your credit is paying your bills on time. Sarah Brendan, the first vice president of Park Bank, says budgeting can help make on-time payments. She uses Excel to budget and is able to include extra funds for bills that may vary, as well as deadlines to never miss a payment.
My advice is to understand how much money you have flowing into your household and how much money you have flowing out of your household, and then allocating those amounts into different categories, whether it's housing, utilities, things like your phone bill, credit cards, because on-time payments, when we're talking about credit and building credit, it's the most important factor towards building and maintaining a positive credit score.
The second step is try not to borrow more than 30% of your allowable limit. For example, if you have a $10,000 credit limit, try not to borrow more than $3,000.
Rating agencies don't look favorably on that, and they tend to give you a lower credit score.
Monkwitz says while the highest score you can receive is 850, if you have a score of 670 or above, you're doing pretty well. Step 3 to improving your credit is to check your credit report and dispute if needed.
Get the history, and if there's something on there that doesn't look right, you can dispute it and get it cleared up. In fact, if you don't do that, you're probably going to be paying more the rest of your life every time you borrow money.
Everyone is entitled to a free credit report. You can check each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, free once annually.
All right, so with that information in mind, is there anything else that you would like consumers to know when it comes to their credit?
I think your third point about checking credit is the most important thing, and January is a perfect time to do that. Take a look at what your credit report says. If there's anything you question on it, ask.
Okay, and can consumers call for action to ask? Like, do you guys help with credit in that way? Like, if people have credit questions?
We do. We do. Again, sometimes it's just pointing them in the right direction. Sometimes people don't know the difference between their credit score and what a credit report is, how they check it, and we can help with all of that, and we gladly do.
Absolutely, and we'll also have Michelle Reiner with the Department of Consumer Protections in next month to help answer questions. So if you have them, please send them to my email. And is there anything else that we should talk about for consumers this month?
In January, I think it's all about your credit. I think we've hit on that. I think that's the most important thing. And, you know, a lot of times, too, people are having issues that have come up from holiday shopping. We're here to help.
Thanks, Jackie.
You're welcome. Thank you.